Learn English. Hello everyone. Welcome to the English 8K Vocabulary School. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Sunday, January 19th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is a group of soccer players with the same uniforms. Number 2 means to pass information or a story to somebody. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is on my team. Jennifer is on my team. Team. A group of players that work together to try to win the game. Now let's make a flashcard for team. Please write team up here in the top left corner, T-E-A-M. Down here in this corner, N1. This means noun, level 1. Over here, the number 170 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Team. What about you? Are you on a team? Let me know in the comments. Now word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. I will tell a story to the children. I will tell a story to the children. Tell. You will read a story out loud, and the children will listen to it. Now let's make a flashcard for tell. We have 2 basic forms to tell something to somebody and to tell somebody something. Also, this is an irregular verb, so you must learn all 3 forms. Tell, told, told. Please write those on your card. Please make a card like this. Up in the top left corner, to tell. Also, told, told. Down in this corner, IV1. This means irregular verb, level 1. Over here, the number 35 out of 40. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Tell. Game over. It's time to go. Jennifer is on your basketball team. Very good. And to tell something to somebody, this means to pass information along. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1 is, for example, of laundry. It means 1 amount. The missing letter is before P in the alphabet. Number 2 is not the person that's the leader of the country, but their helper. Very good. And number 3 means to look somewhere in order to find something. I gotta go. My name is Vinny from Canada. See you tomorrow.